Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to prepare Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. In my previous video, I made a detailed discussion theoretically. So today I will show you how to prepare Profit and Loss Appropriation Account practically. So now look at this question. Here is the question I have already written. The question is, A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. There are two partners, A and B. They have decided to share profits or loss in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st January 2019, their capital were A 30,000, B 25,000. On 1st January 2019. That means this is the opening balance of capital. Net profit as on 31st December 2019 is rupees 50,000. Net profit 2019 rupees 50,000. After considering the following factors, you are required to prepare Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. We'll prepare Profit and Loss account. I have already drawn a format over here. So now what are the points? Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. The partners A and B will get interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. It is to be calculated. Interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate of 8% per annum. If the partners withdraw money from the business, they will pay interest to the firm. The rate is 8%. A withdrew 3,000 on 1st May 19 and B withdrew rupees 4,500 on 1st August 2019. I will show all the calculations. Interest on A's loan account of rupees 20,000. 20,000 is the loan amount, is to be paid for half year at the rate of 6% per annum. B is to receive commission at the rate of 2% on net profit. A and B have decided to transfer 10% of the net profit to general reserve, and A gets salary rupees 1,000 per month. Now we will prepare the Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. So we know, first of all, we will write the net profit in the credit side of Profit and Loss account. Net profit will be written over here. So by net profit rupees 50,000 transfer from Profit and Loss account. Profit is recorded this side. अगर प्रॉफिट हुआ तो क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा जाता है, और लॉस होगा तो डेबिट साइड में लिखा जाता है. तो इसमें प्रॉफिट हुआ है, so profit will be recorded in the credit side of the Profit and Loss Appropriation account. But here is a point number 4. Interest on A's loan account of rupees 20,000 is to be paid for half a year at the rate of 6% per annum. In my previous video, I told interest on partner's loan is a charge against profit. It is not an appropriation of profit. That is why interest on loan will be deducted from net profit. To calculate the accurate net profit, interest on partner's loan will be deducted from net profit. So, I am deducting it. Less interest on A's loan. So now it is to be calculated how much will be the interest. I am doing the working over here. interest on A's loan. What is the loan amount? Loan amount is 20,000. So I am writing 20,000. 20,000 लिख रहा हूँ. इस पे परसेंटेज कितना दिया जाएगा? 6% दिया जाएगा for a period of half year. So 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. Now it comes how much? It will come 600. 20,000 का 6%, 1200 रुपया. 6 by 12, that is half, that is 600. So interest on loan 600 will be deducted from here, and the net result will be shifted to final column. So 49,400. Interest on partner's loan, and if any rent is paid to the partner, it is deducted from net profit. I am repeating again, interest on partner's loan and rent paid to partners is deducted from profit and loss account. Net profit. From net profit. Okay. Right? Now, I will calculate the interest on capital. So, interest on capital is an expense of the firm. So, all expenses are recorded in the debit side. Incomes of the firm are written in the credit side. So now I will debit interest on partner's capital. Interest on partner's capital. A. How much you will get? Interest on partner's capital. A. What is the amount of capital? 30,000. So 30,000 into rate of interest. Interest on capital is to be paid at the rate of 6% per annum. So 6 by 100 equals to 1800. So interest will be charged on opening balance of capital, and it will be calculated for the entire period, whole year. So A will get 1800. How much B will get? B's capital is 25,000. So 25,000 into 6% equals to 1,500. So A is getting 1,800 and B is getting 1,500. So total interest will be 3,300. So interest on capital का कैलकुलेशन हो गया है. अब इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स करना है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स आपका इनकम होता है, क्योंकि पार्टनर लोग पैसा उठाया है, पार्टनर लोग फर्म को इंटरेस्ट देगा. So it is an income of the firm. That is why it will be written this side, credit side. Why? Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. A, B. So now I will calculate the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. A कितना उठाया है? A has withdrawn 3,000 on 1st May 2019. So interest will be calculated on 3,000 at the rate of 8%. 8% लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate of 8%. So 8% 8500 for how many days? अब उठाया है May, 1st May 19. So interest will be calculated for the month of May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 8 months. From May, 1st May to 31st December 2019. So it becomes 8 months. What will be the amount? Interest 30 to 40, 160, 160 and B इंटरेस्ट कितना होगा? B उठाया है 4500, 4500 into 8%. अब इसने कब उठाया है? August, 1st August. So he will pay interest for the month of August, September, October, November and December. It comes 5 months. So 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 कितना होगा? It comes 150. So interest on drawings, A will pay 160 and B will pay 150. So by interest on drawings, A 160, B 150 comes 310. Now interest on drawings भी हो गया है, लोन का कैलकुलेशन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुका है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन कैलकुलेट करके जो अमाउंट आया था 600, that has been deducted from net profit. Next, B is to receive a commission of 2% on net profit. We will get a commission at the rate of 2% on net profit. Now net profit is 49400. So commission, B's commission, how much? 49400. इसका 2%. So commission, B's commission कितना होगा? B's commission होगा 49400 into 2%. So it comes 988. 494 into 2. 988. So we will get a commission to rupees 988. So I will write it over here 988. So it is B's commission. ये भी हो गया है. Now A and B have decided to transfer 10% of net profit to general reserve. तो पार्टनर लोगों ने सोचा है नेट प्रॉफिट का 10% कैलकुलेट करके रिजर्व में हटा के रखेंगे. To set aside 10% of net profit to general reserve. तो जनरल रिजर्व क्यों किया जाता है? For future expansion. तो एक पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉफिट जनरल रिजर्व बोल के हम लोग हटा के रखेंगे. So it will also be written this side to general reserve. 10% of net profit. 10% of net profit. 49400 इसका 10%. तो जनरल रिजर्व कितना होगा? जनरल रिजर्व will be 49400 into 3/100. So 4940. So to general reserve 4940. Clear? Yes. Next, salary paid to A, rupees 1000 per month. A is getting salary per month rupees 1000. So A's salary will be 1000 into 12 because it is per month. तो पूरा साल में कितना लगेगा? 1000 into 12, that is 12,000. 12,000. So all the points have been covered. Now we will calculate the divisible profit. The balancing figure will be the divisible profit. So now we are calculating the divisible profit. To divisible profit, this is the balancing figure. बैलेंस करके जो मिलता है उसको बोला जाता है बैलेंसिंग फिगर. तो कितना होगा बैलेंसिंग फिगर? टोटल बनाओ इसका 49400 प्लस 310, that is 49710. 49710. So 49710 minus this 3300, 988, 4940 and 12,000. After deducting all these items from the total, how much we'll get? We'll get 28482. 28482. Then this divisible profit will be shared by A and B in this ratio 3:2. 3:2. So what will be the share of profit? Now let me calculate. Total is 49710 minus 3300 minus 988 minus 4940 minus 12,000. Let me check it. 28482, right? So here we get 28482 into 3 by 5. 3:2 means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We will get 28482 and इसका 2 by 5. So कितना आ रहा है? Divided by 5 into 3. 17089.2. 17089.2. So 0.2 जो आ रहा है, the fraction is being ignored. 0.2, that will be ignored. So I will write 17,089. And how much we will get? Let me calculate. Into 2. 11392.8. 11392.8. So I will make it 11393. Right. So this is the share of profit of A and B. And in this way, so it will 19710. In this way, profit or loss appropriation account is prepared. It is clear? Okay. Fine. Appropriation account is complete. So that's it for today's video. Next video, I will show how to prepare partners capital account. So thank you for watching.